This place is busy. Wow, look at these colors. Very good, very good. Hi, boss. How are you? Whoa, we got the army. What's your name?
Tai, my name is Tai. What?
Tai.
Why you coming around?
I'm making a YouTube video.
Oh yeah. What do you want to do this for?
Just filming Nigeria.
Oh, Nigeria.
What's your job?
Hello. We are the one controlling here.
Thank you, brother.
We're in charge. Are you want to shoot video?
I'm just filming around. Just seeing what life is like in Nigeria. You don't like it?
You don't allow something like this. If you want to shoot any action like this, we need to see us first. You understand?
Are you the boss?
Yeah. It's nothing. Let's go.
But this is a public area.
Yeah. We are working for local governments.
You work for the government?
Yeah.
Where's your show me your ID?
My ID card is there. We are in charge of this place. These gates down. Yeah, we are in charge of that.
But everyone...
If you want to do anything camera like this, you need to see us first. You understand?
Are you sure?
Yeah.
But everyone has been so friendly and nice on camera.
No. You don't allow something like
I'm not like a news reporter. I am just making a video for myself.
For yourself. Let's go back to the toilet. Use it for yourself. You need to see us first. You have to pay. He's in charge of it. We charge for it.
show me your ID. Like,
come on, Harry. Let's go to the toilet.
Okay.
The number is not going to.
Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you. This guy is just like a random guy, or maybe
he's just a random guy. He just needs money.
He just wants money.
Yeah.
I thought maybe he is the boss and I'm just messing with like the mafia of Nigeria. Hi boss, how are you? Oh, Zara? Real Zara?
Yeah.
Real or fake?
No, real one.
I don't believe you.
You real? Come now.
I don't want. I'm just looking. Oh well. I don't want, brother. I'm just wondering. So like, it's very intense. People are like trying to pull you in, but they're hustling. You can't blame them. What's your name?
My name is Chidex.
You're from Lagos?
Yes, I'm from Lagos. I'm from Nigeria.
Nice. What's your job?
My job?
Yeah.
My job is
You're selling?
Clothes, yes. I'm selling
this is all women's. All women's.
Guys, women dresses.
Ah, okay.
Yes.
Nice. How is life in Nigeria?
Thank God.
It's good life?
Yes.
Nice.
Well, things have not been easy for us. But
really?
We're just managing. Yes.
What's your dream?
My dream is to do a very good business.
Yeah.
Things that will help me, in life. Things that will change my life. Things that will make me to upgrade as a man. You understand?
Good luck.
Yes, that is what.
You got a good heart. You got a good smile.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Yes, sir.
All right. See what I've learned about Nigeria, and this is a good reminder. It says good and bad people everywhere. In this city, there's a lot of good people and a lot of bad people. I'm filming me. I'm from England. How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
My name is Abi.
Abi.
Yeah.
You're from Lagos?
Yeah, from Lagos Island.
People here are very friendly.
Is that what?
Everyone's very friendly.
Yeah.
Very friendly.
Yes,
Thank you.
yes.
What are you selling?
I'm selling shoes.
Oh, nice. These are for women.
It's for women, yes, not for men.
I'm trying to buy something. Okay.
No
See you, brother. Wow. Nigeria's friendliest market. How are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Melin.
Melin.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, brother.
Nice to meet you too.
I like your watch.
Thank you, brother.
It's real?
Yes.
You're working here?
Yes, I'm working in the room. I sell clothes.
You're selling clothes?
Shirts.
Nice. What's this?
What this is short egg.
Egg?
Yes, short egg.
Oh, egg inside?
Yes.
And these?
Meat pie.
Meat pie?
Yes.
Oh, it's good. How much for one?
One is $200.
$200?
Naira.
I thought you said dollar. Let's try one. I thought these guys were friendly, so I bought it.
Yes.
All right, let's try it.
There's no sausage inside.
Oh,
Nice.
where is the sausage?
Where is the sausage?
There's like a tiny bit of sausage.
Nice.
It's basically just bread.